Guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly email a Google Sheets document to someone. All you have to do once you have that document open is to simply click on file on the upper left hand side, click on email, and you can choose email this file. Once you do that, you'll have the option now to enter the email address of the person that you want to email. Then you can choose if you want to send yourself a copy of this email. It's simple. If you don't need to have it checked, but if you do, you can just go ahead and send the copy there. And I'm going to choose that option so that you can see. Here you have the subject of the document, and this is pulling from the document name itself. You can keep it or you can rename it to something that you wish. You can write a message here. I'm going to say hello, for example, and here you can choose if you want to email it as a PDF document or you want to do it as an Excel or just keep it as an open office spreadsheet. It's really up to you, whichever option you want. So for now, I'm going to keep this as the PDF document, right? And all you have to do, just simply click and send. Now the reason why I choose to email myself a copy, because I want you to see how it actually looks when I receive that email as well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab here, go into my email, and you will see that I receive a copy of that email that I've sent. And this is it. So if I open up this email, you can see this is it. This is the message. Hello. You see the name of the file. And you can see that it shows that it is a document here. But if you scroll down, you see that it emails me as a PDF document, which is what I wanted. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and email a file in Google Sheets. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.